Hello, Jai Shri Swami Narayan. Today we are going to continue our topic divisibility test. So, first key of 7 hasn't particular rules. In mathematics, key of 7 hasn't any particular rules. So, at least now ignore it. Now come to the key of 8. Last 3 digits divisible by 8. We are taking example of 8. Suppose we are taking 8 with the start small number 8. What we have to do? 8 divided by 8. What is the rule? Last 3 digits, but number 8 has only 1 digit. Doesn't matter. 8, it means 8 plus 0 plus 0. It means 8. Here it is, right? Okay. So, 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. We got remainder 0. It means we can divide number 8 by 8. That's why the answer is number 8 is divisible by number 8. Right? Okay. So now we are taking one bigger example. Suppose we are taking 213, 216, right? So 213, 216. What is the rule? Last 3 digits divisible by 8. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. These 3 are last 3 digits. What we have to do? Divide 216 divided by 8. 8 from here. So we have to start counting the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 twos are 16. 21 minus 16 is equal to 5. 6 goes down, right? Okay, now is 56. Come to the table number 8. Yes, 8 sevens are 56. 56 minus 56 is equal to 0. We got remainder 0. Remainder 0, then the whole number 213, 216 is divisible by number 8. Okay, very easy, right? Now we are going on another key, which is key of 9. Here it is, total of all digits divisible by 9. The key of 9 is totally same as key of 3. What was the rule of key of 3? The rule of key of 3 is whatever digits a whole number has, count it. Blah 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 plus blah 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 plus blah blah blah, so and so. If the total of a given number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3, right? Same as we have to count key of 9. So now we are getting a small example. Suppose we are getting number 9. We are taking number 9. What is the rule? All digits divisible by 9. How many digits are there? Only 1. It means only 1 means all digit, right? Okay, so 9 divided by 9. This 9 comes from here because we are studying key of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Remainder is 0. Then the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, now come to the next example. Suppose we are taking 23181. 23181. Any of the number you can take. What is the rule? Do total of the given number. Do total of the digits of whole number of given number. Which is the given number? Here it is, right? 23181. So we have to do total. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1. Right? Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14 and 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 and 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. We got number 15. Is 15 divisible by 9? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. But we have to write smaller number than these. Then 9 ones are 9. We got remainder 0. Let us take. Answer is 6. But the remainder is not 0. Then the whole number is not divisible by 9. Now we are taking. Suppose we are taking this example, suppose 3, right? 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3, okay? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14 and 14 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14 and 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Is 17 divisible by? Is 17 divisible by 9? Let us check out. 17 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18. 18 is bigger than 17. We can't take it. So 9 ones are 9. Here the answer is 6. Right? Am I right? No. I am wrong. The answer is 8. The remainder is not 0. Then the whole number is not divisible by 9. Now let us take another example. 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14 and 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Number 19 is divisible by 9. 9 twos are 18. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. Remainder is 1 but not 0. That's why we cannot divide this number by 9. Now let us take another example with number 4. What we have to do? Do total. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 and 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Let us see what will happen. 18 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Yes, we got remainder 0. So that's why the whole number is also divisible by 9 because the total of all digits is divisible by 9. Now I hope you understood. Let us take another key of 10. What is the key of 10? Very easy. Like key of 5. Last digit contains 0. Let us take with the small example. Suppose we are taking 0. Very easy, 0. If 0 is divisible by 10, 10 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Remainder we got 0. Then the whole number is also divisible by 0. Let us take bigger example than these one. Suppose we are taking 50. We are taking 50. What is the rule? Last digit contains 0. What is the last digit? 0. Then directly say that 50 is divisible by 10. Suppose we are taking biggest example. Suppose 2, 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Doesn't matter there how the given number is. It is big or it's small. It doesn't matter. But matter to this. If the last digit contains 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Okay, very easy. So now come to the next key, 11. So let us start with the key of 11. What is the key of 11? It is not difficult, but it is long in process. Difference of total of odd places and total of even places divisible by 11. Look at here. Suppose we are taking 4, 3, 7, 5, 8. 4, 3, 7, 5, 8. Which are the odd places and which are the even places? Firstly, you have to know that odd places means, odd number means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so, right? And even are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and again so, right? These are the odd numbers and these are the even numbers. Same as, what is the meaning of odd places? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. 1, 3, 5 means odd places. It means that we have to do total 4 plus 7 plus 8 and even places 3 plus 5, right? We have to do total. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Even places 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, right? So now what we have to do is find the difference of total of odd places and total of even places. Find the difference. Difference means subtraction, right? So this one and this one we have to do minus. 19 minus 8 is equal to, we got 11, right? If this number is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. So let us start with division. 11 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 minus 0. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Remainder we got 0. Then the whole number is also divisible by 11. Again I am repeating this one. Find the difference between odd places and even places. Which are odd places? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are odd places and 2 and 4 are even places. 4 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 19 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Do subtraction. 19, odd places minus even places. 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Then we have to do division. 11 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, then the whole number is also divisible by 11. So these are the key of divisibility test, and all these keys help us to calculate the sum, calculate the division, right? So I hope you all now understood. You have to make the chart in your notebook, and from next video we will continue our next topic, which will be factors, multiples, prime factorization method, co-prime factors, etc. Till then, stay tuned. Jai Shri Swaminarayan, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.